Long-haul flights can be uncomfortable. The noise, the turbulence, the change of air pressure. Let's not even think about those cramped seats. But let's face it, there's no way of getting around it. This is the most efficient and quickest way to arrive at your lifelong dream vacation spot. So I'm going to give you some tips, which I hope will help make your journey just a little bit easier and a little bit more comfortable. So listen to the end, as I truly believe each of these tips are essential. The following tips are items to put in your personal carry-on bag. First up, noise-canceling earbuds or headphones. Next up is a Bluetooth adapter, since most planes will not allow you to Bluetooth your earbuds or headphones. Charging cords, long ones and short ones. If you have a smartwatch, bring your charger. Pre-download your favorite Netflix series or Prime movie on your phone or tablet. Download a book or two on your phone or tablet. Don't forget that phone stand or tablet stand. It will be most useful. If you are short like me, an airplane footrest is essential. It's like a hammock for your feet. Compression socks really help with the swelling of your legs. If you are hot-natured, a personal fan is most helpful. Dental hygiene items is most helpful just before you land. It'll make you feel much more refreshed. Those planes are dry, so hand lotion under 3 ounces so you can get through TSA is most helpful, and also don't forget that lip balm. Hand wipes are going to be quite useful in many ways. Always keep your medication very close to you. I prefer a backpack as my personal carry-on item, simply so I can keep my hands free. These bags are perfect to go through TSA. Once I'm past security, I buy the largest bottle of water I can find so I stay hydrated on the plane, and I don't have to keep asking for a cup of water, 1 cup at a time. I find sleeping on a plane difficult, so melatonin, a non-habit forming pill, helps me out. Okay, I'm going to throw this in here. It's kind of my pet peeve. Don't be that person who puts their seat all the way back. That poor person behind you, they're going to be so cramped, and if they weren't claustrophobic before, they are now. So I really hope these tips help you out on your long haul flight and just makes it a little more easier and a little more comfortable. Enjoy the journey as much as the destination. And thank you for watching Travel with the Hales. We truly appreciate you watching this video, and please watch our other videos for all sorts of destination ideas and also travel tip ideas.